Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can automate any web application using Selenium and Python. So, as we know, Selenium is used for automating the web applications, and it is like if you want to automate any task, or maybe if you want to do any kind of automation testing, you can utilize Selenium. Python provides us with an easy interface of a programming language, and Python is a very easy language to learn. The commands that are used in Python, they are very easy. So we can combine these two things and we can do some of the repetitive tasks. We can automate them and we can utilize them in writing some of the code scripts that can be utilized in minimizing our effort. So basically, Selenium and Python binding provides a simple API to write functional acceptance tests using Selenium WebDriver. Though Selenium Python API, you can access all functionalities of Selenium WebDriver in an intuitive way. So, if I want to use the Selenium WebDriver API, I can use it to click on button, enter text, minimize the windows. So all these tasks can be done, and we can utilize it to automate our web application. So let's go deep into this and see how we can create our first program and how we can automate our Chrome browser to launch any particular website. So basically, in order to automate, there are few things that you need to keep in mind. The pip should be installed on your system. Is basically the dependency management for Python. And the second thing which needs to be installed is the Selenium Python binding, which will help you to automate the task that you want to automate. Selenium supports multiple bindings like Java, C Sharp, Python. We'll be using the Python binding. Apart from that, you need to have the Chrome driver, and this Chrome driver will help us to launch the Chrome browser. If you want to utilize any other browser like Firefox, you need to have Firefox driver. Let's see what we can do. We will just go and we will try to import the. Okay, so basically first if I want to see if pip is installed in my app system or not, I will just go on terminal. I will see it by typing this. So as you can see, sorry, so as you can see, pip is already installed, and I have Python 2.7, but I have also Python 3 installed, but it is showing the system library of Python 2.7. Now if I want to do any task, I will just go and I will try to import the WebDriver from the Selenium bindings which I have already used. So what we need to do, we just need to import the WebDriver from the Selenium. For that, what we are going to do, we are going to just write from Selenium import WebDriver. So basically what this is doing, this is just importing the WebDriver from the Selenium API, and after that what we need to do, we need to give the path. We are going to create a variable path which is going to be utilized by this Chrome driver, and this Chrome driver is nothing but I will show you what it is. So basically, if I want to run any test on the Chrome browser, I need to install this Chrome driver, and for that I need to see which version of the Chrome I'm using. So I will go on here and then I will go on help, and then I will see about Chrome. So as you can see, my Chrome version is 86.0 point something. I will go on the Chrome driver and I will see which version is compatible to my Chrome browser. So this is the version which is compatible. I will just install this, and after installing I will get a zip file. I need to unzip that file. So here is the Chrome driver which I have downloaded, and once I unzip it I will get the exe file which I will be running it, and it will help me to run the browser on the it will help me to run the browser for running my test. Now once this has been done, I will go back. I will give the path of this Chrome driver in my code. So as we know, I have downloaded in my download folder. I will just give the path of the Chrome driver. Something this. So the driver path is user. So this is the path of the driver which I need to give. And after that, what I need to do, I will create another variable driver, and this driver, it will call the webdriver dot chrome method. So as you can see, I already have the option of Chrome. I will just click it, and now I will tell this Chrome to pick up the driver from here, from this path, and this path I have kept it to this variable. So I will just use it here, and now what I will do, I will ask the driver to get my URL. In order to get the URL, I will just ask it to get it like driver.get, and then I will tell it the website which I need to get. So for telling the website, I will just use my website which is there, and I will use it. So this is the code which we can use to launch any Chrome browser, and let us see if this is working or not. Since I am using IntelliJ IDEA, I have a run option here. So you can write this code in any of the file you want, and you can keep it in any directory. I have just created Selenium Python directory, and I have the file in Selenium Python directory with the tutorial 1.5. Now once I run this, it will launch the Chrome browser, and it will open my website. So here is the website which has been opened. Now again, if I want to close this browser, so as you can see, the browser is still open, the website is still open, and now I want to close this. So what I can do, I will just go here and I will write driver.close. I can also use driver.quit in order to quit the whole session. And if there is a single session I want to close it, I can use driver.close. Now let us see. I will just save it and I will run it again. So it will create a new instance of the Chrome, and it will close the same instance. So with driver.close, it will not close the previous instance. It will close the instance which has been created now. I hope you like my video and do subscribe to my channel.